Hi everyone and welcome to Mama Jaye's Kitchen. Today's recipe is baked beans, a perfect accompaniment for holiday barbecues and summer festivities. Let's get started. First, to a pound of dry beans, add 2 tablespoons of kosher salt and a 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda. Cover with water and cover your bowl, setting aside for 8 to 12 hours. Drain and rinse the beans after soaking and add them to a pot. I'm using my pressure cooker here as it cuts the pre-cook time in half. Now cover with 6 cups of water and cook for 1 hour in a pot or half an hour in a pressure cooker. Now dice 2 medium onions. I'm using Vidalias here as they're my favorite, and they're currently in season here in Georgia. Now we'll dice 2 to 3 smoked sausages. I'm using andouille, but any smoked sausage will be excellent. Smoked pork chop, neck bone, country ham, ham hock, salt pork, or bacon would be great as well. After the beans are cooked, drain the cooking liquid and reserve. Add the beans to an oven-safe pot. To the pot, add the sausage, onion, and molasses. I'm using a mixture of blackstrap molasses and sorghum syrup here, as I love the taste of sorghum. It's very rich. Now add the tomato paste, mustard powder, some of Mama Jaye's spice rub, and freshly ground black pepper. Add enough of the cooking liquid to combine all the ingredients. Once combined, add enough of the liquid to cover. Add an ounce of bourbon and give everything a good stir. Now cover and place into a 275-degree oven for 2 to 3 hours. Don't forget to stir occasionally and remove the lid after an hour. And after 3 hours, mine looked like this. Now give everything a good stir and taste for salt. Mine needed a little. Now cover and let stand for about 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, scrape the fond off the side of the pan and stir into the beans. I'm serving with a pulled pork sandwich, which I may or may not be showing you in the future, and coleslaw. The recipe was released on my Instagram. The beans were absolutely delicious, and I do hope you give them a try. I want to thank you for joining me, and if you want to see more content, don't forget to like and subscribe.